The race for Wayne County Sheriff is heating up with allegations of some dirty politics, and today a judge agreed, shutting down a campaign mailer taking aim at current Sheriff Raphael Washington. Jason Colthorpe is at the Sheriff's Department tonight, having spoken to both men in this race. Jason?
Good evening, Devin. And the judge in this, the chief judge of the Wayne County's Third Circuit, heard this case today, made the ruling, and it's important to point out the ruling he made was based on his belief that this violated campaign finance laws, not made on the merit of the accusations that were on that mailer. The mudslinging is over for the moment in the Wayne County Sheriff's race, at least some of it anyway. A lawsuit was filed and a temporary restraining order granted against Walter Epps, a candidate for sheriff, and Messenger Printing Service to stop these mailers from going out. They are filled with headlines about investigations into alleged misconduct, and at the bottom it reads, "Vote no to sexual harassment. Fire Raphael Washington." So when you first saw this kind of pop up, what was your reaction then?
I was like, wow, this is how campaign goes, I guess, huh? Dirty politics.
Sheriff Washington is new to the campaign game, having been appointed to the job after Sheriff Benny Napoleon died in 2020.
Citizens of Wayne County can't be fooled. They know the difference. And here we are from a judge's ruling saying it was improper, it was illegal.
How Ray Washington got in that position in the first place is just it's anybody's guess, right? What we know is who you know.
Walter Epps, who previously ran for sheriff once in 2010, says his campaign is not behind the mailer, but he absolutely supports it.
He does not want the public to have the knowledge of his background, which is all true. These are real reports, and I have copies of the reports. Real reports, real incidents, real victims, and that's what he's trying to hold. He does not want that information to get out.
Now, the sheriff didn't want to talk directly about those allegations, instead pointing us to a statement his campaign has given out in the past. And it reads, the campaign does not respond to rumor and innuendo that's tossed about in a heated campaign season, particularly after they've been investigated by impartial parties as far back as 2 decades ago, concluding there was never any cause for any actions to be taken. Devin?
This is something. I'm curious, Jason, did Sheriff Washington or his campaign file the lawsuit?
Actually, no, it was a private citizen. It was Robert Davis, who, as we've learned over the years, files a lot of lawsuits in this regard. But he told me tonight that he wasn't filing this on behalf of the campaign, but he was just being a private citizen who supports Ray Washington for sheriff.
Gotcha.
Back to you.
All right, Jason.